Hey guys, it's burger time. We're at Roberta's. All right, let's go in for the big bite. Oh yeah, that is incredible. It was the review is kind of the fun because let's be honest, I'm not a burger expert. I'm a burger lover. Let's get into this. I love the burger from top to bottom. Oh, it's like that loose meat grind. Including the one in front of us, which is a very, very good burger. Cassell's, Electric Owl, 25 degrees, and Hercules. Worst burger was at 7-Eleven or Arco. I think the 7-Eleven was worse. I got the burger, I put it in the microwave, and it was literally, I took a bite and I spit it out. So I have a burger meter. On my burger meter, 1 biter means you're spitting the burger out. 2 biter means that you're not finishing the burger. 3 biter means that you're finishing it because you're hungry. 4 biter means that you'd crave it once a month. 5 biter means that you'd wait in line for that burger. 5 Guys. McDonald's. Gotta go with Apple Pan. Oh, well, most people wake up on January 1st and they're like, I'm gonna lose weight. I woke up on January 1st and been like, I'm gonna put on another 25 pounds. And I'm gonna be the Burger King of LA, like the Sausage King of Chicago. On the burger meter, I'm giving this burger a 4.3 bites. That's a great review. This is a great burger. Come here and get pizza and burgers. This is like my wonderland. That's a burger review.